Hello and welcome to our video on how to create a budget and stick to it. In today's video, we're going to go over the steps you need to take to create a budget that works for you and helps you achieve your financial goals. We'll also talk about some tips and tricks for sticking to your budget and avoiding common pitfalls that can derail your progress. Step 1. Assess your current financial situation. The first step in creating a budget is to take a good look at your current financial situation. This means taking stock of your income, expenses, debts, and assets. It's important to be honest with yourself about where you stand financially so that you can make an accurate budget. Step 2. Set your financial goals. The next step is to set your financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your budget? Do you want to save for a down payment on a house, pay off credit card debt, or build an emergency fund? Whatever your goals are, make sure they are specific, measurable, and achievable. Step 3. Create a budget. Once you have a clear picture of your financial situation and your goals, it's time to create a budget. A budget is simply a plan for how you will spend your money. There are many ways to create a budget, but one of the simplest methods is to use the 50-30-20 rule. This rule states that you should spend 50% of your income on necessities, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings and debt repayment. Step 4. Track your spending. The next step is to track your spending. This means keeping track of every single penny you spend for at least a month. This will give you a good idea of where your money is going and where you might be able to cut back. Step 5. Adjust your budget. Once you've tracked your spending, you can adjust your budget accordingly. This means cutting back on expenses that aren't essential and increasing your savings and debt repayment. Remember to be realistic and not to cut back too much at once. Step 6. Stick to your budget. The final step is sticking to your budget. This is often the most difficult part. There are many ways to stay on track with your budget, including setting reminders, using budgeting apps, and finding accountability partners. Conclusion. Creating a budget and sticking to it is an ongoing process, but it's worth it in the long run. It takes time and effort, but by following these steps and staying committed, you can achieve your financial goals and have peace of mind. Remember to be patient with yourself and to make adjustments as needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful and informative, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. We will be posting more videos like this, and we would love for you to join us on our journey to financial success. Additionally, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.